Hello everybody and welcome to MATLABBasics.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed your USB camera into your MATLAB GUI. If you're not familiar with MATLAB GUI, I'd recommend you to refer to my video on MATLAB GUI and then get back to this so that you'll be more comfortable. To embed your video device to MATLAB GUI, make sure you plug in your device before you start MATLAB. So now in the command window here, type Emac tool. This should open a new window displaying all the devices connected that can capture an image. So like you can see here on the left, you can see all the devices displayed which can capture an image. Now you choose your device and make sure that you note the video type, that is, this is called the adapter type. So it can be Win video or anything else. Here it is Win video in our case, and also the device ID. We will be using this in our code, so make sure you write it down or remember it. And also you have to note the default size of the video. I mean, like what is the resolution of the video, so that based on that we can give the commands in MATLAB. Now close the Emac tool and type guide in the command window to open a new GUI. Open a blank GUI. Okay, now on the left side you can find something called UI control panel. Use that to create a UI panel, it should be big enough to fit in your video size. Okay, now within this, create an axis using the axis in the tools. The axis should be within this UI panel. Now note that the axis name will be mentioned on the axis. Here it is axis 1. If you wish, you can change it. If you do not want to mess much, just leave it that way. Now save this GUI with any name you wish. I would choose example 1, and once you save this should generate a .m file. Yeah, there it is. So now in the opening function of this file, after handles.output equal to h object, you have to call the access, and we'll do this by the following function. Write access and open braces handles.access1. Now if you have changed the name of your handles or your access, you can put you must use that as the syntax here, like handles dot whatever your access name is. My access name is access1, so I'm using that. Now type VID. You can use any variable in this case. I am using VID because it's more related to video. So VID equal to video input, and first we'll write the adapter name that I told you to write down or remember. It was Win video in our case, and comma the device ID, close parenthesis. Now take another variable HImage equal to image zeros open parenthesis the size of the image. Now the reason we are doing this is when we are loading the image, we are trying to put it into a variable, and for that we are predefining the size of the variable. So to predefine the size with some content, we are using zeros. So initially we will be using zeros, and that zeros will be replaced as in how the input is read by MATLAB. So the size, and you have to add a third dimension to this, and that third dimension will be 3. The reason it is 3 is most of the video devices read video or capture video in RGB mode, hence RGB, as in there are 3 layers. So that's the reason the third dimension will be 3, comma parent. We are using this parent because it's a property name, so we are using this because we are using the parent handle, that is access, the parent access. So the property name parent is used generally with handles, access, comma handles dot access 1. Now we use preview, that is we are previewing whatever input we are getting. So preview VID, from where we are getting the video input, comma h image, the variable where we are storing the video input. Close parenthesis, semicolon. Now that should be about it. Save this and run. So as you can see in the GUI, we are getting the preview, and that's how you embed your video source into your MATLAB GUI. Now you can use this for inbuilt cameras also. If you're using a laptop, like we had seen in the hardware devices, there was also an integrated camera, so you can use that device ID and also use MATLAB to integrate that camera. You can integrate probably any camera that MATLAB is able to identify in the Mac toolbox. So that's it for now. Stay tuned to matlabbasics.com for more such videos. Please leave